Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Crafts. Today I'm sharing the crochet tips I wish I knew when I first started. If somebody had told me these things earlier, I would have saved lots of time, money, and lots of frustration. So let's get started. When you crochet too tight, your hook catches, which means your tension is inconsistent and your project comes out smaller than the pattern. So relax your grip. Think of your hook gliding, not fighting the yarn. This should be taught on day one. Obviously, after you've mastered the basics stitches like single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and then you should know how to do an invisible decrease because it makes everything perfect. Especially when you're working with amigurumis or bralettes, you should know how to do an invisible decrease. It makes everything perfect. And the regular decrease leaves holes, so master the invisible decrease. Most beginners skip this one. I did too, and then the project looks smaller or it looks bigger. So just do it. It makes things faster overall. Cotton grows. People get shocked when they wash their crop tops or bralettes. So if you are making a bralette or a crop top using cotton, you need to size down slightly and then you block it gently so that it keeps its shape. Yes, don't do it. Nope. Do not compare your day one with somebody's day 2000. Obviously your first granny square might look wonky. Mine looked like a potato. What you need to do is keep on practicing. Like they said, practice makes it perfect. Always mark the first stitch of the round. It saves time, especially in amigurumis and bralettes. You will never lose track of where you are. Unraveling your work doesn't mean failure. Frogging helps to get the neatest result. Pros frog all the time. So fix your mistake early and save hours later. You don't need expensive yarn to learn. Even the cheapest yarn works perfectly. Master the stitches first and then you upgrade later. If you find these tips helpful, comment below which one shocked you the most or which one you wish you knew earlier. If you want more beginner friendly crochet videos, make sure you subscribe and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.